Swarm trap number 2. Got a hole there. Put a handle on the top and 4 screws holding it in, holding the top on, and underneath here I've got some plywood. So I'm just thinking that if I catch a swarm, then I can take the top off and hopefully they'll be clinging to the roof of this. So it might make it easier to lift up the lid and have them all on there rather than shaking them all into a hive. It's pretty light. It's about about 1.5 kilos. It's pretty light ply. To the back. The dimensions are about 450 by 30 by 20 millimeters, that is. Us Aussies have the metric system. I don't really know what it is in feet. It's about 2 feet by a foot. I'll go and hang it up in a tree and see what happens. I'll put some of this lemon juice oil, lemongrass oil in the hole. Cool. Sweet. Well, if I catch anything, I'll keep you posted.